So, we are in the continuation of the same list methods. Here, what I will discuss, the given task, which I had given task as a program. Okay, the questions I will discuss, and you see how to solve those problems. So you can observe here. In yesterday, we saw that what is adding elements, how you can add the elements inside the list. So we used append, extend, insert, and we saw that in what manner they are utilized. So extend, I will explain again where I stopped actually. Then how to remove the elements from the list. For that, we have a remove, pop, and clear. These three uh, methods along with one tell keyword. After that, we saw that searching and sorting. In that, we used index. By index, you can search the element. You are sorting, sort function method you used, and reverse. Okay. So reverse I will discuss today. So these are the some key area which you may explore with the help of list methods. So now what I will do here, for example, you have a problem. Add fruits using append function. How I will do that? So let's say I have one list variable, name is fruit or fruits, and in that you have some certain fruits are there. For example, apple, banana, and make sure you are writing string, so a strict format, and cherry. Also, you have grapes, like that. Some certain list of fruits is there in the list. Now, you want to add mango in that list. How you will add that? So to add that mango, you have to write like fruits dot append and which particular fruits you want to add. For example, mango I want to add. So you have to pass this mango as a value inside the append method, and this will add at last of the this list. Okay, this list as the last element, and then you print this fruits, you will get the your added element in the list. Okay, this is how you can do it. So better to work on the VS Code directly so that practically you can experience this what and how it is working out. Okay, but before that, in yesterday class, I was talking about this last program. If you remember, what is the purpose of extend method? Extend method basically what you will do here. I had taken two lists. Okay, you are seeing that. In one list there is 1, 2, 3, and in second list there is a 5, 6. These are the elements are there. So I want this 5, 6 inside this uh, first list. So how I will do that? I will write a dot extend, and you have to pass the b inside the extend method. Now, if you print, or else you do one thing, you do complete operation inside the print method, so that you will get the output also. Okay, let me save it, and once I will run it, estimate is returning none. So print a, right? Save it. Now you see, earlier A is having only 1, 2, 3. Now it is having 5, 6. Means B is getting extended inside the A list, right? This is how you can use the extend. And you may use multiple variables, a multiple list type of variables, and you may pass here as a value, and you may get the answers. Okay, this is how you can use. So this is about this. Now, again, suppose I want to perform some operations on the list. Okay. Let's say I have one list type of a variable, and in that I have some certain value. For example, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. Okay, these are some certain values are there inside the list. 2, 6. Okay, so certain value I have taken. Now I want to perform sorting. I want to sort this. So if you want to sort it in ascending order, how you will do? So to do that, basically you have to use your list variable name dot sort. Okay, simple. And just save it and return the your list using print. So now, if you run it, if you run it, you observe here, you are getting the all the list in the ascending order. I will pass the some message so that you can the sorted list is like that. I have passed one message so that you can understand it properly. Hmm? Now observe here, the sorted list is now it is in sorted order. And list may repeat the value. You can feed the repeated value. Duplication is allowed in the list, right? So keep in mind. Now I want to sort it in descending order. So I explained this example in yesterday, but again I'm repeating for your just practical and understanding purpose. So sort and now reverse, reverse. I will write reverse equals to true. Okay. If you are telling this, and then you are printing the same list, okay, and you just pass one message, the list in the descending order. Okay. So it will print. Observe here, the list in the descending order means the higher value will first and it will gradually will in the order in which they can descend the values. Okay, this is what here. I hope you understood. Now I want to get the value of index 5. Observe here, this is the list index of 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wanted to fetch the value of index number 5. So what I will do here, I will simply write if then your list name num dot index, and in that for which index you wanted to value, just simply pass the index number. It will return the value. Now, observe here at the index number of a 5, what is the value? Okay, okay. You have already shorted this. Now, do one thing, make it comment, take it here. Now save it. Now run it. You are getting 4. So at index number, value is. So here very small correction is there. This is representing the value of a list, and this value is on which particular index number. This index number will return through the index function. If I will run this, I will get like that. Observe here, it is telling at the index number 4. At the index number 4. So I can write here index is like to make the more understandable format. I'm writing like that. Okay. So again, I'm running it. You observe here. Index is 4 for the 5. You're observing here. So this is how you can use the index number. Got it? So this is how we can use this particular. Now, uh, for example, I want to insert. Let's let's take this example. Fruit example we had taken, right? Okay. Let me make it comment and I have, let's say I have one list variable called as fruits. Fruits. In that, what I will do, I will take some fruits, for example, apple, banana, okay, banana, berry. Next, and these three, let's say I have elements inside the list. Fine. Now, I want to add mango after this banana. Mango after this banana before this cherry. So what I will do here, I will write here like fruits dot particular insert operation. Insert method there is in the Python that is used to insert at a specific place. Okay, any value. For example, you count here 0, 1. So at the second place I want to put. So second place it is cherry. What it will do? It will place here the particular the value which you want to put, and this will shift to the right of this. So at place of 2, I want to put one more fruit, mango. Okay, then I will return the particular list variable, fruits. Okay, save it. Now run it. You observe here, mango now came here. Huh? As per your requirement, where you want to keep in the list the particular element, in that moment you have to use the insert method. Fine. These are we have done actually. Now, now a very important program I will explain here. Uh, very important program I will explain here. That is the user input, user input plus sorting. Okay, means what I will do here, I will take the empty list and I will put the value inside the list according to, I mean, by user inputs. For example, I have this type of variable nums in, I will keep it blank at beginning, empty. Now, I will run one loop uh, to designate the index I have taken I in the particular range. I want to put some 5 value. Okay. So 5 value means I will put 5. So it will go up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how it will work. Okay. Now, which value I want to put, that I will take from the user. I hope you are understanding what I'm doing here. And then here, I will write here, enter the number. Okay. Enter the number. Now, now I will tell nums dot append, to insert the value one by one in the list, we have to use append. Okay. And I will pass here which we will take from the user. Now, if I will return print, what I will return? Nums. What it will return? Observe here. Let me clear it. Let me clear it. And now observe here. If I will run this, it is asking enter the number. So this loop will go up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Because we have taken range till 5. You are understanding what is the purpose of range in the for loop. And this will designate the index here 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Sorry, then till 4 only, and minus 1. No? So till 4 it will get from 0. Okay, starting value from 0 index till 4. So one by one at 0 index, it will place the value, it will ask the user input, then 1, then 2, then 3, it will go on. So let me take 5 first. Okay, again it is asking. 4 times it will, 5 times it will ask. Okay. So I will give 7, then I will give 2, then I will give 3, 4, whatever, then 2 to 4, last no. So 8. Okay. So you have a list, you have list this type 5, 7, 2, 4, 8. And in the which order you have entered the value, in the same order it is designated inside the actually this particular empty list. So this empty list is holding the value one by one. Okay. So at 0 index, you saw that 5. At 1 index, 7. 2 index, 2. 3 index, 4. And 5 index, 8. Okay, fine. What if I want to sort it? What I will do? So I will do very simple work. Nums dot sort. That much only. Now run it and you observe them. Enter the value. For example, I'm entering the sum value. Okay. Now observe here. Whatever order you are putting the value, it is coming in sorted order. So this is program about you take the user input to enter the value in the empty list from the user and then print the value in the sorted order. This is the program. You can make like that. You revise this, you will come to know. You may take the breakpoint also to understand this properly. Okay. I'm showing you how it is working actually. So you can correlate it. So now I will do the start over. So I have empty list called as nums. Now you are in the loop. Okay. At the interaction 0, you are asking the value from the user. Now you have to put the value. Okay. So I put the value. Again, now it is appending value inside the empty list. Okay. Now again it is asking since it is loop is still under valid condition. So Now again, I will put the value, for example, 3. Okay, I will hit enter. Now you have this. Again, now you see appending, how appending is happening. Okay, always at the end of a list, it will designate the value. Now, I will put the third value and it will go on. Let me do that. You are understanding, you are getting what I'm doing here. Okay, so now third value went. Now it will ask for fourth value. I will give the 1, then hit enter. Then I will repeat the process. Again, it is asking. So this time I will give, let's say 2. I think 2 I did not get, right? So how many values I have given? 2 to 4, 5 value. So we are done. Since the condition is valid till 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means maximum 5 value. Observe here, at last sorted value is there because of this sort method. Okay. Now if I will run, you will get the sorted result. This is how it will work. Okay. Okay, fine. So you understood how to build the list with the help of loop, how to build the list with the help of loop by taking the user input and print the value in the sorted order, right? One more example, then I will work on. Uh, I have a problem. Suppose, like, I want to insert the value inside the empty list by making their square. Okay, your work is square using append. Square using append. Fine. How I will do that? Let's say I will take one variable square and empty list. Then I will take some range. I will take a small range only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will take till it. I'm telling here it will start from 1 and it will go up to 5. Okay. So that will have a some sort. Then this is the formula squares means list, the list which you have taken and dot append because you want to put the square means every time whatever value you will take from you will take that will make a square, that will make a square. You see here square means exponential operator double star, right? Then come out from the loop and print the squares. This is how it will work. You observe here. See, 1 to 5. I mean 1 to 4 and minus 1, right? So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 5, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. And once condition will get false, you will come out from loop and you print the value. So this empty list is getting filled by this append method. Okay, this code is working like that. So you do the practices, you will come to know. I'm stopping this here, and this is for Excel exercises. Okay. Okay. Thank you.